Hello students, welcome back to our today's video class. In the last video class we have completed our chapter number 11, that is factorization. Today I am going to start unit test 4 syllabus, as we have already completed our unit test 3 syllabus. In unit test 4 you are having chapter number 12, linear equation and inequation in one variable, and the chapter circle. So first of all we will do these two chapters. After that we will move to our annual exam syllabus. Okay. So what are today I am going to do linear equation of one variable. Linear equation means what? And what do you mean by one variable? Linear equation means any equation, means it is a form of a polynomial of degree 1. If a polynomial is of degree 1, then the equation is called linear equation. In a polynomial there may be more than one variable, but in a linear equation in one variable we will use only one variable in each equation, whether you can take x, y, a, b, whatever you can take, any alphabet you can take as a variable here, but in one equation only one variable we will use, and the equation should be of degree 1. So it is called a linear equation of one variable. Okay. So in this equation chapter, exercise number 12.1, there are some equations which we have to solve and find the value of x. So let us do the exercise 12.1. So first of all, the question which I have taken, that is question number 2, subpart 1. The question is 4 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7 is the question. So what we have to do, here also we have to do the BODMAS rule, definitely, and after using the BODMAS rule we have to do one more thing, that is in an equation, first of all you have to take the variable terms in the left hand side of the equation and all the constant terms on the right hand side of the equation, but before that you have to transform the equation in a linear form. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, we have to solve the bracket. So just there are unlike terms inside the bracket, so it will be not solved, so just we have to multiply the number which is outside the bracket. Here is 4 and here is 3. So 4 into 2 is 8x, 4 into 1 is 4, equals to 3 into x, 3x, plus minus minus, 3 1 ja 3 and plus 7 as it is. Now we have to take, it is a linear equation, you can see, we have to take this 3x on the left hand side. So 8x plus 3x, when it goes to the left hand side it will become minus 3x, is equal to minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4, but when you take this plus 4 to the right hand side it will become minus 4. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x, is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore x equals to 0 by 5, that means the answer is 0. The value of x is here 0. Now the next question that which I have taken, it is question number 4, subpart 1. Here the question is x minus 1 whole by 3 is equal to x minus plus 2 whole by 6 plus 3. Now what I have taken here, I have taken this x plus 2 whole by 6 at a time to the left hand side, and all the x terms are on the left hand side of the equation. So it will become x minus 1 by 3, it is plus x plus 2 by 6. So when you take full this fraction to the left hand side it will become minus x plus 2 by 6. Okay, so now you have to take the LCM of 3 and 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So when 3 2s are 6, so 2 into x minus 1 minus 6 1 is 6, so 1 into x plus 2 that is equal to 3 whole by 6. Now you have to multiply like this question. 2 into x is 2x, minus 2 1 is 2, plus minus minus 1 into x is x, minus plus minus 1 2 is 2 is equal to, you have to take this 6 to the right hand side. Since it is in division, it will go this side and become multiplied with 3. So 3 into 6. So 2x minus x is x, and minus sorry, and minus 2 is minus 4 is equal to 18. Okay. Now x equals to, when you take this minus 4 to the right hand side, it will become plus 4. So x equals to 18 plus 4. Therefore x equals to 22. The value of x is 22. This is the answer. I am feeling some cold, so my nose are itching. Just a minute, take a hanky for me. Sorry students, you waited for me for a few seconds. Now I will continue this exercise. Now the next question is 5, subpart 1. That is, the question is y plus 1 whole by 3 minus y minus 1 whole by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2y whole by 3. Now what I have taken here, in the left hand side I have taken the LCM of 2 and 3, that is equal to 6. So 3 2 is 6, so 2 into y plus 1 minus 2 3 is 6, so 3 into y minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2y by 3. Now you have to open the bracket. 2 into y is 2y, 2 1s are 2, plus minus minus 3 into y is 3y, minus minus plus 3 1s are 3 whole by 6 equals to 1 plus 2y by 6. Now you have to solve the like terms. So you have 2y minus 3y, so minus 3y plus minus minus 3 minus 2 is 1, so it will be minus y, and it is plus 2 plus 5 3 is equal to plus 5 by 6 equals to 1 plus 2y by 3. Now both sides are in fraction, so what we can do, we have to do the cross multiplying. Okay, so 3 into minus 1 is minus 3y, 3 into plus 5 is plus 15, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into plus 2y is plus 12y. Now you have to take the like terms on the right hand side and left hand side. So minus 3y, so when you take minus plus 12 to the left hand side, it will become minus 12y is equal to plus 6, and when you take this plus 15 to the right hand side, it will become minus 15. So minus 3 minus 12 is equal to plus minus minus plus, so 3 plus 12 is 15, so minus 15y is equal to minus 15 plus 6 plus minus minus, so 15 minus 6 that is equal to 9. Since 15 is greater, so it will be minus 9. Now y is equal to minus 9 by 15, so minus minus cancelled, 3 3 is a 9 and 3 5 is a 15, so therefore y is equal to 3 by 5 is the answer. Hope you have understand. Very important question, this question number 5.1. It is very important question. Mind it, it is very important question. Okay, now we move to the exercise, next question of this exercise, 11.1. But before that, I have also done 10.2. But before that, I will explain this one. 11.1. Another important question. The question is 2x minus 3 by 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 by 3x plus 1. So what we have to do here? To solve this question, we have to do the cross multiply method, because both sides in the fraction, so you cannot, all are unlike terms, we cannot solve them. So ultimately the solution is to do the cross multiply method. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 1. So this 2x minus 1 go to the right hand side. It will be 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. Now you have got all the terms that is in the form of algebraic multiplication. The same type of question that we'll get in where you can have to do the sum, that is question number 7 is also the bracket sums. You have to multiply them and then simplify them. After simplification you have to change the sides and find the value of x. Again here also we have to do the same thing. That's why the question 7 and 11 is quite similar type of question from this step. That's why I have chosen this question. It will help you to the question number 7 also. So just to multiply 2x into 3x, it will be 2 3 just 6x x square. 2x into 1 is 2x. Minus 3 into plus 3y, 3x equals to minus 9x. Again minus 3 into my plus 1, 3 1 is 3, so it will be minus 3. Here plus 2x into 3x is 6x square. Plus 2x into minus 1, it will be minus 2x. Minus 1 into 3x, it will be minus 3x. So again minus 1 into minus 1, it will be plus 1. Okay. Now you change the side, 6x square. Here it is, and from this right hand side, you take to the left hand side, it will become minus 6x square. Now the like terms you have to solve. Minus 9x plus 2x, so minus plus minus, 9 minus 7, 2 is 7. Since 9 is greater, so it will be minus 7x. Minus 3 remains here. Minus 3 into minus 2, that is equal to minus minus plus. 2 plus 3 is 5, so it will be minus 5x. And plus 1 remains. Now another part of the question you can see. Here we are getting the x power of 2. Okay, that means it is a quadratic equation. You cannot keep it like this. So what it will be cancelled, because plus minus minus 6 minus 6 will be 0. So 6x square minus 6x will be cancelled. Now what is remained? Here minus 7x and here is minus 5x. When you take it to the left hand side, it will become plus 5x equals to plus 3. Minus 3 goes to right hand side, it will be plus 3, and 1 minus plus my 1 is already there. So 1 plus 3. So it will be minus 7x minus plus 5x, it will be plus minus minus, 7 minus 5 is 2x. So since 7 is greater, so it will be minus 2x equals to 3 plus 1, 4. So therefore x equals to minus 4 by 2. So again we have to do the cancellations. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So therefore the value of x is minus 2. This is the answer. Understand this question, very important question. The cross multiplication method you have to do here. After that, the question number 10, sub part 2 I have taken. Okay. In this question, what we have, the question is given 1 by 5 into 1 by 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 minus 1 by x. Another type of question. Important question. So 1 by 5 into, again you have to open the bracket first. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 3x. So 1 1 is 1, 3 5 is 15. So it will be 1 by 15x minus 5, or 5 into 1 by 5, it will be 5 by 5 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3, it will be 3 by 3 plus minus minus. So 1 by 3 into 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3x. Now what you will get here? You will get here this plus 5 1, 5 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 3 1 is 3, and this will be 3 1 is 3. Now see, so it is 1 by 15x here. When you take this minus 1 by 3x to the left hand side, it will become plus 3x is equal to 1 by 1 is only 1. Here is 1 by 1 is only 1, that is minus 1. When you take this minus 1 to the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So 1 plus 1, it will become 2. Now here again it is in the fraction form. So the LCM of 15x and 3x will be 15x. So 15x divided by 15x is 1. So 1 1 is 1. So 15x divided by 3x, it will be 5. So 5 1 is 5 is equal to 2. Now 1 plus 5 is 6 by 15x equals to 2. Now you have to do the cross multiply. You take 15x to the this side and 2 to the this side. So it will become 6 by 2 is equal to 15x. So 15x equals to 6 by 2. So again you have to take this 15 to the right hand side. It is in multiplication. It will be, when you take to the right hand side, it will goes to for division. So therefore x equals to 6 by 2 into 15. Now do the cancellation. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. So in numerator there is only 1 and denominator there is only 5 and 1. So 5 1s are 5. So therefore the value of x equals to 1 by 5 answer. So this is the way we have to do the few linear equation sums. I have done almost 1 2 3 4 5 questions from this exercise. All 5 questions are different types. I hope it will help you to do the other questions from this exercise. Another important question that I will discuss only with you, that is question number 13 is 13. In this question you can see that solve for x plus 3 by 3 minus x minus 2 by 3. The same question that I have done here. This type of question it is. You have to solve the value and find the value of x. After finding the value of x, you have to put this value of x in the second part of the question, where it is asked to find p if 1 by x plus p equals to 1. When you put the value of x here, so it will become p equals to 1 by 1 minus x. You do the LCM and find the value of p. So this is the question which you have to do. This is a very important exercise. In the next video class, I will start the applications of linear equations, that is the story sums of linear equation. Another very important question exercise. One thing you remember, equation, when you do the equation chapter, that means you are making yourself very conceptual, and your logic will be more clear when you do the more and more sums of story sums, and you use your brain to make the equations from the question. It's very intelligent work. It is very intelligent work. So always try to do the story sums as much as you can do, because it will help you to do other chapters also, where we have to use x. Everywhere we have to use assume x. So many questions, mensurations, in arithmetic, in so many chapters, percentage, fractions, everywhere we are using x. So linear equation is very important, and the story sums are the most important. When you do the story sums, it will open your brain and clear your logic to do the maths, understand the maths. Okay, hope you have understood these things and you have enjoyed this video class. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class. Thank you.